Oh, we've all been there. We're going to get to it one day, right? One day. Here we go. Got that one. And I got one back here. Well, Fox, but still a Fox Body. Okay, if you know what a Fox Body is. Not a Mustang. It's a Fox Body. And then I got something that's not quite a Fox Body. An OBS Ford. All right, this is Jordan's first truck. Technically, that was Cameron's one. I think it might have been his actually first car. He's 22 years old now. But I bought him out of that, and he got my 79 F-150. He bought that from me. Then we brought Goldie home, the 81 Mustang that's in another video. What's next, guys? If you've been keeping up, I'm somewhat retired now. And this March of this year, this is now June. My birthday was a couple of weeks ago. This is as raw as it gets. Look at the dust. I mean, okay, so I'm gonna flip the camera here and take you around it. Okay, so I had this car a hot minute. It did have a 255, is that right? 255 cubic inch V8? I don't know, some of you guys will probably correct me. I forgot all that, but look at there. See how dusty it is? Taking the interior out, I've got pictures of this car. Mint black interior. Got a little rust issue. Unusual for these cars to have rust developing in the body seam here. There's nothing on the inside of that back behind it. Just a hole. You know, these cars are put together here and here. If you didn't know that, on the top, there's a little seam that kind of comes around in here too. Had a little rust issue. And then the cowl that I had to address, which is up in there, and more on that later. It kind of involves this area under here. You know, got the hood hinges here, so I need to put a little plate or something to figure this out. Other than that, man, this car's tight. You know, it's just a real nice, if you think about my Fox bodies, if you've seen mine, this is an 80 model. So I have a 79, an 80, and Goldie is an 81. But I got to find some place to start. I'm retired now, and got a 79 Zephyr Fox Body. It's got an 8.8 rear end, rear disc brakes, and I believe we left drums in that car. I have to look again. 8.8, 4-lug. Got the dash back in it already. Got the air conditioner converted to the newer stuff. But this car's been sitting like this for the better part of 3 years. Shameful. Really shameful. This has been like that, not getting any worse. Might try to figure this out and get this done. But a beautiful car otherwise. I did put the late model tip wheel in it and seat extenders, track extenders. So, sunroof car, we did refurbish that already. It's got a K-member in it, tubular K-member. It's got a fairly new harness in it, okay? For Fox Body, like 91 and up, without the airbags. Go over that soon. Got that from Summit Racing. Directly from Summit Racing. Hello. This car's straight. You know? No rust in it. Great. It's going to be a fuel injected car. Great little Fox Body. Already got the air conditioner. Fabbed in the newer model. Larger for the 134, the condenser. Then I got Jordan's first truck, the 88. Sorry. This truck, I mean, it runs pretty good. I don't keep it on the road. We did have a really nice windshield in it. Tree limb fell at some point from a storm. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Had it under the tree. Other than that, the truck is, you know, patina, if that's what you like. Patina, Christina, whatever you want to say. But we got ground issues. If you follow my 91, you know. So we've kind of redone the ground. We fixed some stuff, right? We put some just refurbed in here, reworked the grounds. So we got some, the truck starts great. This truck needs wiring end to end, because when you mash the taillight, when you mash the brakes, the blinker comes on. And we've chased grounds and all this. We fixed it once and it's doing it again. So I just bought this $100 kit to go in it. So I'm just going to rewire this truck front to rear. Did I do that right? I don't know, front to rear. So then this is a MicroSquirt. That's the computer. Hopefully the light's picking that up. And look at the dust on this thing. I've had these things 2 years. I've got a couple of these kits, complete wiring harness kit and sensors to redo the fuel injection on this. I'm really leaning towards using it on this as well because I got another kit. I mean, I got 3 cars. I don't know. We're going on a little mini day trip tomorrow, my cousins and my wife. And I got to get started on something. Which Fox Body, 88 F100 F150 OBS, 79 Fox Body Zephyr, Mercury Zephyr, right? If you're familiar with Fairmonts, you got box tops, and then you have this Futura type or Zephyr. Mercury's version was a Z7 right here. And I got pictures, an 82 model Fairmont Futura I had for a little while. Same car. If you notice under the hood, look, shock towers are the same. A lot of similarities, except till you get to about here up, and then it's shorter on the Mustangs. So, a lot of similarities. 8.8 bolts right up. Car's a little bit longer here than a Mustang. So even carpet will work in these cars. So I got to figure something out. First thing, I got to clean up this mess, guys. This is driving me nuts. I've got a ADHD son. I won't call his name Jordan, but anyway, so he comes out here and, anyway. Of course, I'm guilty of it too. I can't throw it all on him. Those are my alternators laying over there on that table, bench, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, we're both guilty. I got to clean up. So today, I don't know when you're going to send this video, if I can get it out. Today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Going out of town. We'll be back late Saturday night. So don't think that, these things are going to miss me. But next week, I got to start on 1, 2, or 3. I need some help. I'm a little bit lost too. This thing's running right now. I don't have to do anything with it. But if I take it apart right now, then it's apart. Then will it end up like this if something comes up and it's just sitting around? So I kind of make room. So I'm kind of almost ruling out doing this right now. But it's pretty simple, straightforward for me. Just rewire it and not get into the motor. Just swap out some sensors. This guy got to fix some rust. Send it maybe somewhere, because I'm not that great at rust, but I want it done right. And fix these little issues. So it almost puts me back here. This car just needs put together. That's it. I don't know. I'm leaning towards this guy. What do you think? I mean, for this year, at least get this going in a great direction. I might just send this guy off and get the little rust fixed up and bring it back. Because I'm not a rust guy. I want it done right. So, I don't know. That did free up room. Then I can start on this. What do you think? Shop update. Here we go. So let me know what you think in the comments. And, I'm kind of looking around in the picture here. I'm not really looking at the camera. I can't figure it out, man. I need some help. My wife would say she knows what to do with them. Can't ask my wife. You know what'll happen. Scrapyard or, come get it. So anyway, Cuz is calling me. I got to call him back because we're heading out of town in the morning. Little River Canyon. Hey, Little River Canyon, Alabama. If you've never been, go take a look at it. All right, man. I hear Cameron driving up out there, so you probably can't hear him, but I can.